Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Renault Kangoo E-Tech? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard offers a modern design with a large touchscreen, clear instrument cluster, and easily accessible controls. Its user-friendly layout ensures comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. The instrument cluster features clear, easy-to-read gauges, along with a digital display that provides essential driving information and vehicle status at a glance. The LCD displays crisp visuals, showing key information like speed, fuel level, and alerts for easy monitoring while driving. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic settings with fast heating and cooling, plus air quality and humidity management. The gear selector is designed for smooth operation, allowing easy and precise shifting for a comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, side light warning, main beam headlight, dipped beam headlight, rear fog lights, automatic main beam, left-hand direction, right-hand direction, bad weather warning, stop light, indicator light airbag, electronic parking brake, front seat belt reminder warning, door status warning, urgent stop warning, warning light, traffic warning light, cruise control, adaptive cruise control warning, electrotechnical system warning, electrotechnical system fault warning, electric motor fault warning, traction battery gauge indicator, traction battery fault warning, limited performance warning, lane centering, secondary 12-volt battery, ECO function indicator, charging cord plugged in, advanced safety warning, warning lights for air conditioning, anti-lock braking warning, warning light for the electronic stability, warning light for non-availability, tire underinflation, variable power assisted steering, lane departure system, lane keeping assist system, hands-off steering wheel, brake circuit fault warning, passenger airbag on, passenger airbag off, seatbelt reminder warning, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.